In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix order rejected error in MetaTrader 5. If you've ever tried to place a trade and saw order rejected, don't worry. This is usually caused by a few common settings or account conditions, and we'll walk through them in a clear, practical order. Start by launching MetaTrader 5 and logging into your trading account so the platform can communicate with your broker's server. Once you're in, go straight to the source of truth for errors. Open the toolbox and select the Journal tab. The journal shows the exact rejection reason. Look for messages such as invalid volume, not enough money, market closed, or trade disabled. Knowing the precise message will guide your next move and saves time guessing. If the journal points to an invalid volume, check your lot size in the new order window. Many symbols have minimum lot sizes or volume steps. Reduce the lot, for example, from 1/9 size down to 0.1 and try again. Even a small adjustment can align your order with the broker's contract size rules. If you see not enough money, review your margin. In the toolbox, open the Trade tab and check your free margin and margin level. If these are low, your order can be rejected. The simplest fix is to reduce your lot size so the required margin drops. Open positions and leverage settings also affect what's available, so keep an eye on those readings before resubmitting. Next, confirm the market is actually open. In Market Watch, prices should be moving. If they're frozen, the market may be closed for that symbol or it may be temporarily unavailable. Some instruments have specific trading sessions, so timing matters. If your stop loss or take profit is too close to price, some brokers will reject the order. In the order window, move your stop loss and take profit farther away to respect minimum distance requirements, then try again. Make sure the symbol itself is enabled. In Market Watch, right-click and choose Show All. This refreshes the list and can restore hidden or newly added instruments. If your journal says trading is disabled, remember that some brokers or prop firms restrict certain symbols, news trading, or the use of expert advisors. Review your account rules carefully. If issues persist, re-log in via file, then log into Trade Account, entering your login, password, and server, and retry the order. You can also restart MT5 to refresh connections and settings. Finally, test on another symbol like EURUSD, GBPUSD, or XAUUSD. If that works, the issue is likely specific to the original instrument. Follow these checks, and most order-rejected errors can be resolved quickly and confidently.